NFT stands for a non-fungible token, which means it can neither be replaced nor interchanged because it has unique properties. The majority of NFTs reside on the Ethereum cryptocurrency's blockchain, a distributed public ledger that records transactions. NFTs are individual tokens that contain useful information. They can be purchased and sold like other physical pieces of art because their worth is mostly determined by market and demand. NFTs' unique data makes it easy to verify and validate their ownership and the transfer of tokens between owners. The NFT world is relatively new to people. Here are some examples of NFTs that exist today: a digital collectible, domain names, games, essays, sneakers in fashion line. What is NFT used for? People interested in crypto trading and people who like to collect artwork often use NFTs. Other than that, it has some other uses too, like digital content. The most significant use of NFTs today is in digital content. Content creators see their profits enhanced by NFTs, as they power a creator economy where creators have the ownership of their content over to the platforms they use to publicize it. Gaming items, NFTs have received much interest from game creators. NFTs can offer a variety of advantages to players. You can buy products for your game and then sell them once you're done with them to recoup your money. Domain name